Hello students, Standard 8. In the chapter number 4, Practical Geometry, we learn two types of quadrilaterals. In first, the four sides and one diagonal was given. In second, two diagonals and three sides were given. Now here in the third one, there will be two adjacent sides and three angles are given. So we have to draw the unique quadrilateral by the two sides and the two sides will be the adjacent sides and the three angles will be given. Now in exercise 4.3, first question is to construct the quadrilateral MORE, in which MO is 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm. These are the two adjacent sides and three angles are given: 60 degree, angle O 105 and angle R also 105 degree. So first, as I already explained you, that we have to draw a rough figure in which angle M is acute angle 60 degree, thus two are obtuse angles 105 degree, and thus two sides are given. So now first of all we have to draw a line segment MO. We have to draw a line segment MO of 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, so you know that for me it is not 6 centimeter, for you 6 centimeter. So I will take 4 times, means 24 centimeter. So first of all, I will draw a line segment of 24 centimeter. MO. So here draw line segment MO of 6 centimeter. Now here at the point M, we will draw a ray MX such that angle O will be, angle M will be of 60 degree. And you know how to draw the 60 degree angle. Maybe in mind it will be not perfectly, but you can draw you. Like you have to take a measurement, approximate. Approximately you have to take the radius and draw a semicircle like that. Now here it is going off. So I will explain you how to draw only with the hands. So first of all, like you have to take your rounder and suppose this is a rounder and you have to take a measurement, approximate and draw a semicircle like that, and keeping the same measurement from here at that point, put that one and draw an arc again that one. So here you will get a cross, and from that cross we have to draw a line segment, a ray. I extend it because we will need it in the later and we will give. So at point M, construct ray MX such that angle XMO is equal to 60 degree. Now here we have to draw 120 degree, but 105 degree. But here it will be very difficult for you to use only the rounder. So for your convenience I am allowing you to use the protractor, and you can use the protractor to draw the 105 degree. So you can put your protractor here and check, that will be 90 degree in the middle and then 105 degree. So approximately I am drawing my way, but you can use the protractor and exactly draw the angle of 105 degree. So from here you will draw 105 degree. So 3 at point O, construct ray OY such that angle YOM is equal to 105 degree. So here we will extend it and make point Y such that that is 105 degree. That one was 6 centimeter. Now on that we have to get a point R such that OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5, for me it will be 18 centimeter. So then you have to take 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. I will take 18 centimeter and draw an arc. On that ray. From O on the ray OY. So you will get like that, and at that give the name R. So now draw an arc with center O and radius. How much is the radius? 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter, which intersect OY at R, which intersects ray OR at ray OY, sorry, ray OY at R. Now again angle R is how much? 105 degree. So again you have to put the protractor on this point R and again draw, say, RZ. So here also your 105 degree you can use your protractor. So now at point R draw ray RZ or construct ray RZ such that angle ZRO is equal to 105 degree, which intersects ray MX at point MORE, last point E, which intersects ray MX at point E. Therefore, MORE is the required quadrilateral. So here, because the angles are too big, you can use the protractor to draw that 105 degree. Here 60 degree you can draw the construction by half semicircle, and the same, keeping same radius, you can cut that one and join that one, then that will be your 60 degree. So here by this way you can have this construction. Now the fourth one is construct a rectangle OKAY. But only two sides are given. The three angles are not given. Then without angle, how can we draw it? But then you know that rectangle means all the angles are 90 degree. It means that the three angles will be of 90 degree. So here angles are not given, but we know that all the angles of rectangle are 90 degree. So now rough figure here. We draw a rectangle in which OK and KA are given. OK is 7 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter, and we know that all the angles are 90 degree. So first of all, I will draw line segment OK of 7 centimeter. For me 7 is 28. So now centimeter. So OK 7 centimeter. So first step, draw line segment OK of 7 centimeter. Now here we have to draw right angle on both the way. For right angle, what will you do? That we have to draw a semicircle. Actually it is skipping here also. So I will show you how to draw it. In which first we have to take a radius and draw a semicircle like this. And then skipping the same radius from here, you have to draw an arc, and from that you have to draw an arc. And then from thus both, again draw two arcs like that. Then when you join it, it will be a 90 degree. And we will give the name X. So, construct ray OX such that angle XOK is 90 degree. Same thing we have to do here also. Draw an arc, then just keeping the same. Then from here also, you will draw a line segment of the 90 degree. How will you do it? Let me explain you again. Draw a semicircle, keeping the same radius, and then 90 degree here also. Say, no, we can't take Y because in Y, okay, AY, there is Y already here. So we will take, say, KM. So construct ray KM such that angle MKO is equal to 90 degree. Now we are given this is 5 centimeter. So here we have to draw an arc such that length is 5 centimeter. So I will take 20 centimeter. 5 4 sir. So from here I will take the measurement of 20 centimeter. And from the point K, draw an arc. So now, draw an arc with center K and radius 4 centimeter, which intersects ray KM at, so which will be the third angle, will be A, at A. Now here you can do other things also. That from here also you can draw the same arc of the 5 centimeter. Because rectangle opposite sides are equal, so here that you take that arc, same arc you can draw on this one also, so that you can get the fourth point Y. So you can from point O draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter, which intersects ray OX at Y. Ray OX at Y. Then we have to join them. So now last one, join ray line segment YA. Therefore, OKAY is required rectangle. So second and third is simple. You will do it yourself. In that third one there is a parallelogram given. In parallelogram also the opposite angles are equal. So one of the angle is given, same will be the opposite angles. And the next angle which is not given, but you know that they are supplementary. So you have to subtract from 180 to get the second angle also. So you will get the third angles and two sides are already given. So you can easily draw that parallelogram also. So here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by the PDF, and you know that very problem, there is a comment section. Thank you very much.